can speak. You can speak.
Yes, sir. So I mainly want to thank you, sir, that you have given the proper guidance. And what I found in your classes is that you take so much of effort and teach. That is very important. Not many of the. I don't know if I know any teacher who will take this much of effort and teach, sir. Like you dedicate yourself for students only. That's what I felt. Your time, your everything, you're dedicating it for the students. And the way you teach, no, it just enters inside the brain and it just gets registered there. That kind of effective teaching, I wish I had you as my English teacher when I was in school, sir. My English should have been, I think, A level English if I would have gotten coaching from you.
Okay, okay. So what you can do is you can send your certificate. Tell the students about the result. Speak about your result. What score you got?
Sir, I got 460 in speaking, 390 in listening, 360 in reading, and 360 in writing.
Okay. Is this your first attempt or?
Yeah, this is my first attempt, sir.
And it was a crash course for you, right?
Yeah, I attended, I think, only for 8 or 9 days, if I remember, because I got to know you only very later from Maji.
What was the difference the training gave you?
The difference what this training has given me is that it has not only helped me in the OET exams, but also in day-to-day life, the way I can, write because in the hospitals we are used to write all these discharge summaries, referral letters. It has completely changed the way I'm writing the letters and the way I speak. The way I, even like after attending your classes, I came to know so much of grammar even though I speak fluently, there is so much of grammar mistakes I used to do. And that's what I have felt that English is like, even though it's just a language, the way you teach, I really wish that we had your kind of teachers in all the subjects we are studying, sir. Really, really.
Okay. So, right. What is your suggestions for the students who are studying with me? Because some students, they are not taking things very seriously. They are not doing whatever I am telling. They are not doing 100%. If I am telling write 2 letters, they are only writing 1 letter. If I am telling write 1 letter, at least they are writing 1 letter in 2 days.